In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready for another DIY. So today I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day decor, and I'm going to be using materials from the dollar store, and I'm going to be creating like a garden type of collection with this Valentine's Day decor. So I'm going to be using some blacks, some wood, and some metals, and some greenery to create some really cool, modern, and clean and simplistic Valentine's Day decor. So if you want to see how this decor turns out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So for the first part of the decor, it's really easy. I grabbed some of these black floating frames from the dollar store, and then I had these metal hearts that I've used in previous projects that I'm going to be using for this project, and then I got these wooden pieces also from the dollar store, and so I'm basically just going to be adhering the pieces to the inside of the frame and sticking them together for this really cute piece of decor. For the next piece of the decor, I'm going to be using this wooden plank and a wooden block to stack these wooden hearts on top of each other at an angle to create the decor to match the rest of the decor that I'm going to be making. So for the next project, I've already disassembled this piece from the dollar store because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to detach it the way that I needed to, but I was able to. So I got this metal piece that I'm going to be putting on the existing metal flowers and garden pot, and then I'm just going to be creating another decor piece to go with everything, so everything kind of flows together with the metals and the woods and the black. And I'm just going to start by adhering this metal piece onto the metal bucket. plastic bags that I add as filler for anytime I'm trying to give something a little bit more height. And then I started to use this green foam block, but I decided to use a leftover foam piece that I've used in a previous project already because it fit a little bit better. So I'm just going to save this for something else. And basically now I'm just going to be building up the little planner that I'm going to be creating. A metal heart, and I adhere a wooden dowel to the metal heart, and then I just stick that into the styrofoam, and then I'm going to be using some faux green moss to add to cover up everywhere where the styrofoam is. So for the next decor piece, I'm going to be disassembling "This Is Us" sign, and I'm going to be taking off the words and then adding some faux green moss to it. I got this main piece constructed, then as the base, I'm going to be using the part of the piece that I deconstructed for the planner to be the base for this decor. As always, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.